Welcome to Gizmochina. I'm Kieran. These days, noise-canceling earbuds are getting more and more mature, and there are a lot of good earbuds that are sold at very low prices. Today, we have a new budget noise-canceling earbud recommendation, the Padmate PaMu Z1. Even if it is sold cheap, it is actually a very good set of earbuds. Let's start with the unboxing. In addition to the charging case with earbuds inside, it comes with extra ear tips, a Type-C cable, and a small carry bag. The carry bag feels good and protects the earbud case from being scratched by other things in your pocket. At first glance, the appearance of PaMu Z1's case is similar to other earbuds, but there are a lot of small and careful details included in it. Take for example the acrylic tag on the side that you can see right away. It is not only a decorative addition, but also a power indicator, which will light up when you put back the earbuds or charge them, indicating how much power you have left. Another impressive detail is the logo belt covering the charging case, which is actually removable. In addition to the included gray belt, the brand also officially offers 3 more pieces of logo belts in black, white, and cyan. Users can replace it according to their preference. The frosted texture of these belts feels pretty good, and there's no need to worry about it getting scratched like the other earbud cases with a smooth plastic surface. But you still need to be careful with the area around the logo, which may wear out after a while. Or you can DIY. You can even make a piece of the belt by yourself, such as a leather one. In terms of the design of the case, Padmate does a good job as usual. Open the case and you will find the 2 earbuds. Like the profile of the charging case, the earbuds are also designed in white and gray colors. The oval-shaped earbud stem is printed on the PaMu logo, and the operation is controlled by touch. You can also control them through PaMu's app, which has all the basic functions, customizable shortcuts, and even EQ adjustment. The game mode has an ultra-low latency option to choose from. You can listen to the difference between the default mode and ultra-low latency mode game sound latency. The noise cancellation ability of the PaMu Z1 is excellent. Even while standing close to heavy traffic, the noise cancelling effect is not much different from the flagship noise cancelling earbuds of many well-known brands. Most of the time, the noise cancellation intensity can reach more than 80% of their level. Considering its $60 price tag, I have to say this performance is very impressive. As for the sound quality, the Z1 is also not bad at all. With an impressive vibe, vocals sound clean and prominent, highs are crisp and lively. Its low frequency performance is even better. The drums are really powerful, and anyone who enjoys a powerful bass or just pop music will appreciate these earbuds. And now let's check out its calling quality.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
The PaMu Z1 can play 6 hours of music with ANC on for each charge. Plus, the case adds a total playback time of about 24 hours. During daily use, its battery life is really impressive. Padmate's PaMu Z1 has done an excellent job this time, with no obvious drawbacks except for call quality, which needs to be enhanced. The Z1 really does it all. It's cheap, yet comprehensive. And if you are on a budget and want to buy a comprehensive wireless earbud, the PaMu Z1 is definitely a good choice. So that's all about the PaMu Z1 earbuds. If you think the video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. We will be bringing more budget gadgets for you in the coming days. Thanks for watching. This is Kieran from Gizmochina, and we'll see you next time.